Hello, my name is Karina.
I am Ahmed.
I'm Manali Bhalotia.
My grandparents, my sisters and brothers have studied here.
One of the best university in the North Caucasian area.
The location is good.
Very centralized. Everything is near to it.
Project good.
Our teachers are very professional specialists.
And the infrastructure is very eye-catching and very beautiful to look at.
People over here are very sincere and kind-hearted.
Are really nice. They're helpful.
All of them, my friends, my family.
You can meet a lot of students from different countries.
Arabic, Russian language, English language, Indian,
The cultural events are very nice.
Kabardinsky, Chechensky, Afghansky.
A great way to know about other cultures.
All of the world in one room.
I feel like home here.
It's a nice place and nice university to study.